Hello, I'm Chris Perkins, broker-owner with Coldwell Banker Maritime Realty, and today I am in Hubbards, Nova Scotia. Hubbards offers you energy when you want it and peace when you need it. We are next to a marina, so you can watch the boats come and go, have lunch or dinner at the Tuna Blue, or take in some live music at the famous Shore Club. We are close to several beaches, a farmers market, and local services, all just 30 minutes from Halifax. This home has upgrades too numerous to name, but offers you all of the charm you expect from a Nova Scotia oceanfront property. Some addresses belong on the water. Welcome to 11 Yacht Club Road.